All right, guys, today we're going to take a look at the TAAIW small quadcopter. I don't even know the name of this damn thing. It's aircraft. Okay, it's an aircraft. It flies in the air. Yeah, I got this from Banggood. I think it was about 20 bucks or something. It was beat up pretty good, man. This box took a beating. Okay. It has headless mode, built-in gyro, return to home button, indoor flight, charging light. You know, it's one of those ones with the obstacle avoidance on it, where, you know, you can put your hand in front of it and it'll make it, you know, it'll make it go this way or that way. But actually that's good for obstacle avoidance, because once you get close to the wall, it pulls back away from the wall. I had one of these a few months ago, maybe 5 months ago. I think I sent it out to Bob. I think. Not sure. But anyway. So it has a 300 milliamp hour battery in it. It took like an hour to charge it or so. Here's the charge cable they give you. One of those deals when the red light comes on and then it goes out. Screwdriver. They give you 2 spare props, which from what I remember from my last one that was similar to this, busting these props would be pretty difficult because of, you know, the duct thing here. You know, it's going to protect it a lot. It's going to be really hard to break a prop on something like this, you know. Here's the transmitter. It has the button up here is for to turn on that infrared stuff, and I think this one's for the flips, and then it's like takeoff, land, the rates, and then the headless mode, and then the rest of these are trims. So it's not that hard. It's easy stuff. Okay, let's get it fired up and fly it around in here a little bit. No on and off switch, so you just turn it on. It binds up by itself. You don't have to do the up and down deal. Let's just bring it over here real quick to see if we do the level calibrate. There it goes. Okay, down and to the right is the level calibration. Just take off. Oh crap. Well, there's a little bit of a problem. Okay, I'm gonna have to, where's the, let me go, prick the radio. I think I had the quadcopter. I did, I had it backwards. I thought it might have been in mode 1 or something. Let's get the third rate going. Okay, I thought it was a mode 1 quadcopter. I was like, oh no, okay. Oh, this is very easy to fly. As a matter of fact, the other one was like that too. Let me go over here and close these a little bit because they're bothering me. Come back here, homie. I didn't want to turn on the obstacle avoidance yet. Okay. Yeah, flies really easy. And this is the high rate, so it's not fast at all. So, I mean, this thing is going to be next to impossible to tear up. I mean, I'm going full stick forward right now. This is as fast as this thing goes right here. Great for the kiddies. They can't go any faster than this. Okay, let me turn on that obstacle avoidance. And we'll see, we'll do the old test against the wall deal. Okay, well, I thought I turned it on. I guess I didn't. Okay, now it's on. See that? That is really neat. That is great for kids in the house. Because they're not going to be able to crack it into anything. Because it's going to stop and go back the other way. That is really cool. See? Yep, that is really a neat deal. So yeah, this thing flies great, man. But it's slow. I think the other one was like that too. I'll put the flight time in. I'll put the little clock in there in the corner. Now, this is the first charge on the battery, so after I fly it a few times, you know, it'll probably pick up and go a little bit longer. You know what I mean? So the first charge, you're not going to get the maximum flight out of that. So but I probably won't ever fly it more than 2 or 3 times, because I'll probably wind up sending it to somebody before the battery actually gets broke in. So we're just going to spin it around here and run the battery down and see what kind of flight time we get out of it. Oh, let's try a flip. We can always do a flip for the kiddies, unless I waited too long here on the battery. So the flips work great. Okay, flips work wonderfully. Yep, that's maximum speed right there. That's as fast as this thing will go. It's in the high rate, and I got the stick full throttle forward. You can see right here. So, yeah, it's flying great, man. Easy as pie to fly this thing. As a matter of fact, I remember the other one was the same exact way. So I don't think there's any difference in this and that other one. I think it's probably just a rebranded thing. I think the other one was a JJRC something or another. It was a JJRC or an Ishin. One of the two. And this is just a copy, basically. Now, because this thing isn't that fast, it's probably not going to be good outside. I'll try it. But it won't be able to be windy, because this thing doesn't have enough pitch to fight off any kind of breeze whatsoever. There goes the low battery warning. Let me bring it over. All right, I don't want to ruin the battery, so I'm just going to land it. I'll put the flight time in. Like I said, it's not going to be as good as it is going to be, because it's going to, the battery's not broke in yet. So there you go, guys. What is it? Oh, God. See, I can't see. I'm so old I can't even see. TAAIW. Something. Okay, that's what it is. It's something. All right, guys, have a nice day.